How much do you know about home remodeling? Test your knowledge with this quick and fun pop quiz. Discover remodeling tips, trends, and must-know facts. Ready to challenge yourself? Let's go!
What is the primary advantage of a tankless water heater? The answer is continuous hot water. What's the ideal grit of sandpaper for prepping walls before painting? The answer is 120 to 150. Which renovation most often requires a permit? The answer is knocking down a wall. In electrical wiring, what color wire is typically used for grounding? The answer is green. Which tool is used to check if a surface is perfectly horizontal or vertical? The answer is spirit level. Got them all correct? Thanks for taking the quiz. And stay tuned for more.